Guys, today we're making a super hearty and delicious keto chili that will not leave you wondering, where are the carbs? I'm gonna make it directly in this Dutch oven that I'm heating up over medium-high heat. In it, we're gonna brown our beef, and once it's beginning to sear, I'm gonna add my garlic. Once the beef is cooked, you can remove it from the pot into a bowl and get rid of the excess fat. To the same pot, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, then my onions, celery, and all the seasonings, which, by the way, the measurements to this incredible chili recipe are gonna be in the description box below the video. And if you love chili, give this video a thumbs up. Lets me know you love it too. We're gonna cook these over medium-high heat until the onions have become translucent and the celery has softened. Now it's time to add our zucchini and cauliflower. Let's mix them up with the other veggies, and then we add our tomatoes, tomato paste, and broth. Let's give this a stir, add our beef, stir again, and then we bring it to a boil. Now we reduce the heat and we simmer it covered for about 20 minutes, making sure to give everything a good stir a few times here and there. Guys, this smells amazing. Let's ladle this into a bowl, top it with a little cheese, sour cream, whatever toppings are your favorite. So good. Now, if you're into low-carb recipes that taste as good as the original, make sure to check out this next video. See you guys next time.